Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this tutorial, we will be learning how to buy Bitcoin from Coinbase. You can buy Bitcoin on Coinbase through their website or the mobile app, so here is how you can do it. First of all, open your Coinbase application and make sure to log into your account. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. Also make sure that you have a valid ID and a proof of address ready for verification. Once you're logged in, go to the Buy and Sell button at the bottom left corner. Now in the pop-up, click on Buy. From the list of assets, choose BTC or Bitcoin. If you haven't verified your identity yet, click on Verify Info and follow through the instructions. After the verification is completed, enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to purchase and then select your preferred payment method and you will be able to purchase Bitcoin on Coinbase. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.